Hello, I'd like to share one of my favorite stories that we have here at North Vancouver City Library. It's called Don't Push the Button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek, now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. What do you think's gonna happen? Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Hey, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But it was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes? Look what happened. You shouldn't have pushed the button again. Here's a fun book I'd like to share with you that we have at North Vancouver City Library. It's called Duck Rabbit. And you can look at the pictures and see what you think it is. Is it a duck or is it a rabbit? Hey, look, a duck. That's not a duck, that's a rabbit. Are you kidding me? It's totally a duck. It's for sure a rabbit. See, here's his bill. What are you talking about? Those are ears, silly. It's a duck. He's about to eat a piece of bread. It's a rabbit, and he's about to eat a carrot. Wait, listen. Do you hear that? I hear duck sounds. Quack, quack. That's funny. I distinctly heard rabbit sounds. Sniff, sniff. Now the duck is wading through the swamp. No, the rabbit is hiding in the grass. There, see? It's flying. Flying? It's hopping. Look. The duck is so hot, he's getting a drink. No, the rabbit is so hot, he's cooling his ears. Look at the duck through my binoculars. Sorry, still a rabbit. Here, ducky, ducky. Here, ducky, ducky. Here, you cute little rabbit. Oh, great. You scared him away. I didn't scare him away. You scared him away. You know, maybe you were right. Maybe it was a rabbit. Thing is, now I'm actually thinking it was a duck. Well, anyway, now what do you want to do? I don't know. What do you want to do? Hey, look, an anteater. That's no anteater. That's a brachiosaurus. Now maybe you could write the next